And here at IP Expo we're particularly working with Dell, so I'm here on the Dell stand showing some of the new Intel technologies that are delivered from Intel and through the various Dell computers.
Could you tell me please what next generation technologies are you showing these days?
Sure, yes. Here at the minute we're showing some of the new client technologies, so some of the new things that are coming to laptops and desktop computers. Specifically, they come under an Intel brand called vPro. And vPro encompasses a number of new technologies that Intel are introducing in laptops and desktops. And those technologies cover a range of possibilities from hardware management, so it allows IT administrators to remotely manage the hardware of laptops and desktops and significantly reduce some of the costs by allowing them to fix, analyse and mend systems that are broken, but remotely do that across the network without physically having to touch the boxes. So part of vPro is about making better and cheaper management for desktops and laptops. And another part is about enabling a new world of virtualizing client computers. So we see a big shift as we're looking into the future now, whereby server computers are already virtualizing. And the next continuation of that trend is that client systems will start to virtualize, as it offers a lot of benefits for people to get access to their data any time on any device in any place, and it again offers some more advantages for reducing the cost of owning and managing computers. So Intel's introducing a number of new technologies inside the silicon, which goes inside Dell computers, and those deliver both capabilities today to reduce costs of managing systems, as well as enabling the new world of virtualizing client computers as we look forward into the next few years.
What are the major trends on the IT market in 2010?
Well, certainly, everything in the world of IT now is talking about cloud computing as being one of the big focus and trends that's going on. And some of these things we were just mentioning about virtualizing client computers is part and parcel of this move to centralizing some of the capabilities into data centers, which is the direction cloud computing is taking us to. And virtualizing of the clients is about enabling the access to some of those back-end cloud capabilities. And certainly as we go forward, we see the client devices becoming more and more what we call cloud aware. So for users to get the best experience out of their computing device, the back-end cloud infrastructure needs to be aware of the capabilities of the device that it's delivering the service to. So that's what we see as one of the big technology directions. As client computers continue to progress, they'll include more capabilities to let the back-end cloud infrastructure become more aware of the capabilities of the client devices, and that will give the best experience for the users who are using cloud computing in the future.
Can you speak on any trends on the end customer side?
Wow, so trends on the end customer. Well, there's always a drive to take costs out. So in the end customer, anything that can help drive some of the costs down, and some of the things we were just mentioning are focused on that. Clearly, there is an increasing range of devices that people are using now. So, obviously there's traditional desktops, there's traditional laptops, and we're seeing, the growth of various new form factors, tablets, smartphones and so on, which has given a wide range of devices that people are using to access their IT capabilities. And clearly all this world of virtualizing, users are already sort of virtualizing servers, and now we're seeing this virtualization of client devices, which is the next big step that we see going forward.
And do you see any challenges that your company face as you develop globally?
There are always challenges, so that's for sure. For Intel specifically, what are the challenges? Well, I think as we deliver new capabilities at a hardware level, then we work extensively with what we call our ecosystem of partners. So we work with Dell and other companies on hardware. we work with software partners to deliver software solutions that can take advantage of some of the new capabilities that we bring to market in the hardware. So inevitably hardware and software are dependent on each other. So I'm not sure if you call it a challenge as much as an opportunity, but we need to bring things that work as a complete solution. And in order to do that, we need not just the hardware part, but also increasingly software to enable them to make use of those new hardware facilities. And so we see a lot of opportunities as well as some challenges to integrate the software and the hardware together as we go forward.